Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get unbanned from Omegle. Okay, so first of all we will go into the omegle.com, and here you can see that if I want to start a chat or video, I have to tick mark all this, and here you can say that I'm getting banned. Okay, so what we have to do, we will go back and we will go back once more, and here I will turn off the Wi-Fi. Okay, and after that I will make sure that I use the another internet, that is mobile internet. Okay, so we don't have to use the Wi-Fi, and after, let's see does it work or not. So we will again visit the omegle.com, and here you can say I have to agree to these terms and conditions, and I will click on confirm and continue. And here you can see that I have started chatting. Okay, now let me show you regarding video. So I'll just leave, I will again visit this, and I will click on the video, click on the continue, and I will give all the permissions regarding this, and here you can see I'm not getting banned. Okay, so this is it guys, this is how you can easily get unbanned from Omegle. You have to make sure that you have to not use the Wi-Fi, and because it happening because when someone other are using your internet, that's why it's happening, but you have to make sure that only you are using the internet. Okay, so this is it guys, I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.